My dear students, in this video let us discuss some more reactions, especially in addition reactions. So in this class I will take up addition to carbon hetero multiple bonds. In this, addition of aldehydes with Grignard reagents. We know aldehydes except formaldehyde, they undergo addition with Grignard reagents to form primary alcohols. Of course, the simple addition leads to addition product. That addition product upon hydrolysis yields primary alcohols. How this reaction takes place? So this is acetaldehyde. When it reacts with Grignard reagents like RMGX compounds, we know in this RMGX compounds, alkyl group possess negative charge and metal magnesium possess positive charge. And in carbonyl compounds, always carbon possess delta plus character and oxygen possess delta minus character. You simply add the negative part of this molecule to the positive part and the positive part of this reagent to negative part. The product is CH3 COMgI or H. So this is the addition reaction. This product upon hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ OMgI ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ Mg ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Just you can convert this into OH. So CH3 COH or H. So ಈ ತರ ನಮಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಸಿಟಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಬದಲಿ ನಾನೇನಾದರೂ ಫಾರ್ಮಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮೀಥೈಲ್ ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಅಯೋಡೈಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಗ್ರಿಗ್ನರ್ ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. OMgI H H CH3 H. This on hydrolysis converts into CH3 CH2OH. So primary alcohol is formed. This is addition of aldehydes with Grignard reagents. Suppose if we take ketones, addition of aldehydes and finally addition of ketones with Grignard reagents in the mother, we will get tertiary alcohols upon hydrolysis. Example, CH3CO CH3 acetone plus CH3MgI methyl magnesium iodide. Simple addition reaction. CH3 COMgI CH3 CH3. This is the addition product. This on hydrolysis converts into alcohol. CH3 COH CH3 CH3 plus MgIOH. So this is tertiary butyl alcohol. It means if you conclude this simple, formaldehyde with Grignard reagents finally produces primary alcohol. Other than formaldehyde, all aldehydes give secondary alcohols and ketones produce tertiary alcohols. So this is addition reaction with carbon hetero multiple bonds. Now let us move to another reaction that is known as Knoevenagel reaction. Knoevenagel reaction. What is this? Reaction of aromatic aldehydes which do not contain alpha hydrogen when treated with active methylene compounds in presence of mild bases, they converts into alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acids. I repeat again. Aldehydes which do not contain alpha hydrogen like benzaldehyde, when they react with active methylene compounds, means where there is replaceable H in presence of a weak base, they undergo condensation to form addition reaction to form alpha beta unsaturated acids. This reaction is called Love-Nobel reaction. You see, I have taken benzaldehyde which do not contain alpha hydrogen. When this reacts with active methylene compounds in presence of a base, the final product obtained is C6H5CH double bond CHCOOH. This is called cinnamic acid. This type of addition reaction is considered as a Love-Nobel reaction. If you look at the mechanism of this reaction, how this reaction takes place, mechanism antadre. Initially, the base extracts one alpha hydrogen from this carbon atom. Active methylene compound ಒಳಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ and a carbon ion is generated. This is first step. Step 1. In step 2, this carbon ion in turn attacks the carbonyl carbon of this benzaldehyde molecule C6H5 CHO CH minus COOH twice. C6H5 CO minus H CHCOOH twice. This oxyanion will obstruct and take up a proton ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ C6H5 COH H CHCOOH twice. This immediately undergo dehydration. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ OH ಮತ್ತೆ H ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು C6H5 CH double bond COOH twice. This loses a carbon dioxide molecule. ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ COH twice ಇಂದ ಒಂದು CO2 ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು H ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then the final product is C6H5 CH double bond CHCOOH. So this is the final product that is called cinnamic acid. This type of reaction is called Love-Nobel reaction. Okay, now let us move to another reaction that is called aldol condensation. Of course, this reaction you have studied in your degree levels and PU levels also. Aldol condensation. Of course, here the word condensation also refers for addition. What is this? Aldol means it is a combination of two words which includes aldehydes plus alcohols. The first three letters of aldehyde and the last two letters of alcohol have been taken, and this is called aldols. Means any compound which contain both CHO group and OL group in the same molecule are considered as aldols. How these aldols will be formed? We know aldehydes are ketones, usually aldehydes which contain alpha hydrogen. I repeat, aldehydes which contain alpha hydrogen when heated with dilute sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide undergo self addition to form aldols. This is called as aldol condensation. Example, CH3CHO. I have taken two molecules CH3CHO. When it is heated with the dilute sodium hydroxide, here we get CH3, CHOH, CH2, CHO. This type of compounds are called aldols. Means it contains both aldehyde and OH group. How this reaction takes place? If you look at the mechanism of this reaction, again, one molecule of aldehyde CH3CHO plus base ಒಳಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ OH minus it abstracts one alpha hydrogen from this and a carbon ion like CH2CHO minus is formed. This is step 1. In step 2, this CH2CHO minus carbon ion attacks the carbonyl carbon of another molecule. ಇದು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬೊನಿಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಬರೆಯತಕ್ಕಂತದ್ದು CH3 CHO minus CH2CHO. This oxyanion takes up a proton from the solvent and it is converted into CH3 CHOH CH2CHO. So this is aldol condensation. Both aldehyde and OH group is there. This is very synthetically useful compound. Of course, if you heat this to slight extent, it immediately undergo dehydration, loses a water molecule. OH ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ H ಹೋಗಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಆಗ ನಮಗೆ CH3 CH double bond CHO ಬರ್ತದೆ. That's called protonaldehyde. So this type of condensation is called as aldol condensation.